Stop romanticizing pain. The first rule number one of quantum leap of manifestation is that we get what we experience, what we feel. So right now, when you just think about all your past situations that you had to overcome, maybe the bad relationship where you were in, maybe your ugly childhood, and you romanticize all that stuff, in no matter, because sometimes we have this victim mentality without even realizing, and we are replaying all those incidents again and again. What you're doing is you are attracting the same thing. No matter, you are writing so many things on a journal that I want to be successful, I want to attract this, I want to attract that, but what you're doing without even realizing is that you are experiencing those past emotions again and again. That's why you are attracting wrong people. That's why you are not able to attract those opportunities, because back of your mind you are experiencing those previously experienced emotions, and that's why you keep repeating the old cycle. The karmic cycles continues to be repeated. But when you start experiencing new emotions, and one of the most easiest and efficient way to experience and let your body, let your mind, let your subconscious mind know about new emotions is through meditation. When you're just sitting blank and you think of the emotion of love, just the emotion of love, like concentrate all your power that you have on your heart, and then think of the emotions of love, of abundance, of being grateful. So you are teaching your mind about new experiences. You can do all the things that you want. You can do all the hard work. You can make all these strategies, but still your heart, your mind, your soul will not be at peace, because continuously you are attracting the same emotions, the same feeling, because the old record is being repeated. People who come from like families that have like stable like environment, maybe the relationship of their parents is really nice, financially they come from a good place. So what happens is that they have experienced all those things previously. So that's why they feel as if like it is their right, it's their birthright to get a nice partner, to get a good earning. But in case of someone who comes from a disturbed family, maybe they had some financial issue or any sort of issue, so they have this thinking of lack. Even after they get the money, even after they get into a good relationship, they try to self-sabotage it, or maybe in some other way they're still not content. You can see them like not enjoying the luxuries that they have in their life, and we all know of such people. So what you have to do is you have to reprogram your mind. You have to understand that we all know about the concept of matrix. We all talk about escaping the matrix, but what is this matrix? It's preconceived notions that we have to hustle, that we actually, even as females, like our body, it's totally different from men, but we are made to believe that until and unless we just don't go crazy, we just don't go all in, until that time we won't be able to successful. But that's not the case. There's so many people, like I don't say you just have to be in your room and think of yourself as a privileged human being just because you're a girl. No, but how to utilize your energy, you have to learn that, because as females we already have feminine energy, and we can make the best use out of it by actually channeling it the right way. Right now, like, it won't cost you anything. So just focus on your heart, to just keep your mind closed. Try to just be in a void and experience those beautiful emotions. Just try, and literally your life will start to change. I'm not kidding. You will attract the right people. Despite all your self-sabotaging ways, opportunities will come to you. You will experience those emotions. The emotions of comfort, the emotions of love, of abundance that you have been trying to teach yourself. Because you are shaking something in your mind. You're telling your mind that the experience I've experienced, that's not the whole truth. And that's how the concept of manifestation works. People say that there are rules to manifesting, that you have to write 7 times, you have to be under the moon. What are all of these? These are techniques. There are like multiple techniques to just obtain a particular result. But what if you don't have to get into that hustle of into that woohoo stuff. If you're a really practical person and you don't believe in all this, but you really believe that, you know what we think, we become that. That is something we all agree to. So why not think like the best case scenarios? Why not think highly of our own self? Why do we want to be in this lack? Why do we feel that we cannot attract better? Because we haven't been able to attract better for the longest time, because we have been romanticizing that pain. We have been romanticizing that stupid stories that have happened to us. But right now you have the power to get out of the loop. You might have seen people around you, like no matter how hard they try, they end up being stuck in some similar sort of situation. They say that I meet same kind of people with different faces. Why? Because they are running that story in their mind again and again, that they are the victim, that some or the other way they are romanticizing their pain. But pain is not your reality. This world is meant to be abundant. We are meant to be happy. Happiness is the reality. But right now, because of the preconceived notions that schools have put in, that you have to work your ass off to reach a point. Yes, you have to do the hard work, but at the same time, you don't need to go crazy. Your self-worth, your self-value shouldn't be related to your physical status in this world. This body that we have, the environment, it's around us, it's just the material world. You don't know what's happening in the spiritual realm. So just think of yourself as a soul. Give yourself enough worth to restart again, to forgive your own self about the past mistakes that you make. But if you keep reminding yourself about your past situations, you keep romanticizing the stupid stuff that made you miserable, you can never get out of the misery. You will never be able to appreciate and acknowledge the nice things that happened to you in this lifetime. I seriously hope this video was useful, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys.